The DETU Twin comes in a plastic container proudly showing off both of its wide-angle cameras. It is secured in the middle of the casing with pieces of plastic holding it in place, ensuring it won't get bumped around inside its container. Photo quality is actually pretty good with decent details, taking into consideration that it only uses dual 4-megapixel cameras. There is some noisiness to the photos, especially in low-light situations. Bright lights are also an issue when taking videos or photos because the DETU Twin tends to blow them out. Also, when you hold the device in your hand, you can clearly see where it was stitched. It isn't noticeable in certain situations, but it's mostly pretty obvious. This isn't that big of an issue, but it is still worth mentioning. Videos suffer from the same issues. It's quite bad at low light, and you can also see where it has been stitched. Audio quality, on the other hand, is somewhat alright. It records videos at 3040x1520 at 30 fps with its dual 4-megapixel 360 degrees camera. In terms of battery life, it's pretty reasonable with 70 to 90 minutes of use. Do take note that when using it for long periods of time, it heats up quite a bit.